What I like doing is I like lining up right in front of the ear in the back and going off of this mark right here. He already kind of has like the shape of a hook. I'm gonna start from the bottom right here and make it kind of thick. Well, actually, it's cutting really well right now, so I'm gonna just go straight. So I'm going all off feel when I make these ice pick sideburns. Now I see where it wants to go right here, right? So I'm gonna make that mark right here. By trying not to push it back at all. And then you can already see it wants to meet right there. So what you gotta do, get the corner of your blade, already envision it meeting, and have it connect. What's up, Ken?
What's up, Randy?
How are you? Who's that for? For me?
I am manicure.
Oh, man.
Hey, how you doing? Good.
See that? See that? You ready for this, Kim? Shave all that off. It's perfect, right?
I know.
See that? And then it gets better, too. It gets better when you come through the back right here and you sharpen it up a little bit sharper and have it. And this is called an ice. These are called ice pick sideburns, Kim.
Oh yeah.
Yep. You ready?
You enjoy it.
Yep, definitely.
He's paying for it.
Yep.
Oh, these hairs look nice.
Looks good, right?
Yeah.
You want waves, Kim? And then see how there's a separation right there.
That's what.
Wow.
Okay, hit the
Chrissy. Huh? Huh? Say hi to Chrissy. Chrissy, look at the camera. Say hi.
Say hi,
You said
YouTube.
What do you want? He's in the spot right there.
Want me to open it? No, push it.
Oh, you could, yeah, push. If you want to make it a little bit sharper, I'll make it a little bit sharper when I use the razor to shave off all these little hairs right here. But when you do lineups, make sure to take care of all the hair that's around it, because that's what makes the whole lineup pop. But pretty much when you do sideburns, you want to already visualize how you want that hook to be and how you want it to end up. And that's it. Cool.